John De Silva worked as a watchman in Qatar. But later, when I got his contact, I came to know that he worked as a clerk in Qatar. The next moment, when I was dreaming myself in Panjim jail, Sir John De Silva message. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This story is about that person who started his career as an actor in Konkani Tiyar and now working in Konkani movies. Yes, he is no other than Emperor of Konkani stage, John De Silva. John De Silva was born in San Jose de Arer village of Salsette, Goa. He is a science undergraduate from Chogule College, Margao. Tiyat is in his blood as his father is a theatrist. John De Silva did his debut in his neighbor friend Lino's Tiyat, Dur, a role which shot him to fame. He then went to Doha, Qatar for work. On his return, John directed his first professional theatre, Zuclore Roste, in 1991 and soon started with his own production house, SB Art. During start of his career, he used to do serious roles. But one of his theatres, Umane, he didn't have a comedian. So he switched to as a comedian and people loved it more. What makes John De Silva special from other theatres is that he is the holder of Limca Book of Records for writing, directing and producing 25 Konkani theatres, with each of their title having double alphabet. For example, Veiled, where L repeats twice. It took him 12 years to achieve it and he was even congratulated by the Goa State Legislative Assembly. He has also shown his theatres in Kuwait, Qatar, Dubai and so on. It is not necessary for John De Silva to make funny faces, nor he needs any catchy dialogues. His silence is enough to make the audience laugh. Here is a small clip from John De Silva.
हॅलो या हॉस्पिटल बाबरे हिंग मातशें अँब्युलन्स धाड रे अरे ते आतां ऐकले मुका भोरेले उलयताले भोरी म्हाका जाप केली मरे ओय आनी ठाटको मरे ताई तोंडा हार जाल्या आतां ओय तोंडा हार जायन हो लेफ्टा पॉल ना तो आंकडे जायन मरे हेशी काणकोणच्यान गेला.
He has worked in many Konkani movies like Home Sweet Home, Padri and so on. He also showed his acting skills in popular Hindi serial Babiji Ghar Par Hai in their Goa special episode. John De Silva is the first one to receive first Yuva Surjan Award by Art and Culture Department for his immense contribution in the field of theatre. Till today, John De Silva is entertaining us with his theatre and short comedy clips on his YouTube channel. John De Silva is a man of golden heart. 2 years back, when I did a biography on him from the information available on Google, I quoted that John De Silva worked as a watchman in Qatar. But later, when I got his contact, I came to know that he worked as a clerk in Qatar. The next moment, when I was dreaming myself in Panjim jail, Sir John De Silva message. No problem at all, dear. Have a nice day. John De Silva's legacy is taken forward by both his sons, Christ and Ben-Hur, who are entertaining the audience with their movies and web series. So this was the story of Emperor of Konkani stage, John De Silva. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa and so on. जोण एकल्याक देवान खिरीत वोर गुण दिल्लो आसा. तर बरे कारभारी कशे ह्या वेगवेगळ्या वोर गुणांचो उपयोग करून एकामेकाची सेवा करूया. For example, Veiled